Hello guys, today I'll be going to cover one of the CSS property which is widely used in real-time projects. So let's start the coding part. So I'll be going to explain you this property by applying on particular HTML content. So let's start the writing HTML content first. So let's create the boiler code first. So to create the boiler code, we have to just enter this sign and just enter it, then you will get the boilerplate code. So yeah, now let's create one container div, and under the container div I'll be going to create small boxes. So on that boxes I'll be going to apply the this flex property. Okay, so let's start here. So create one container div first, like, so this is container div. I'll be create, like, give the box container as a class name. So by using this class we can apply the CSS on this. So let's create the for div. So to create the for div there is a formula, so don't write separately something. Give the class name as box and then give the count of the, like, quantity of that div. Like, I want to create 4 div here, so I'll give here 4, just enter. Now you will get the 4 div, okay, by one click. So here 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is this is my HTML content. Let me start the server first, then we can see these changes on a browser. Okay, so now you can see this 1 2 3 4 here. Okay, let's apply some CSS property on this CSS boxes, so we can see neatly, like, which boxes, the size and width and all things, so we can see properly. Let's start the coding here, CSS coding. Now let's apply CSS on box class and give the border, like, I'll be going to give the border as a 1 pixel with solid, and give the border color like black. Okay, now, yeah, sorry, I am, yeah, sorry, so before writing any CSS for particular HTML, so we have to take care about one thing, that is, so we have to see whether that CSS property is attached with that HTML content or not. Okay, so first attach this property with your HTML content. Okay, so I attach this CSS property with our HTML content. Now you can see this CSS properties getting applied on our boxes. Okay, now let's give some margin, then we can see the neatly, like, I'll be going to give the 9 as a pixel. Yeah, you can see these 4 boxes now properly. Let's give some height and width, so you can, like, I'll be going to give the height like 120 pixel, width like 120 pixel. Okay, now you can give the background color as a red, then we can see the borders properly. Okay, now you can see these borders, and these boxes are aligned in a one column. Okay, in column wise these boxes are aligned. Now we are playing with these boxes by using a flex property, how we can align this property boxes in a vertical and horizontal manner. Okay, so mainly Flexbox is used to align your HTML content on your web pages at particular position by using some other properties. There are other properties as well, so we can discuss these properties in this session as well. Okay, so let's start applying these flex boxes on a container. So basically this is a container div, and we can So we are going to apply some flexes on this container div here. So let's use this container div and give the flex property. Okay, how to apply flex property? So we have to give the display as a flex, like display as a flex. Then you can see, you will get like that this four divs are displaying one like one line, like in a one row. Okay, when we apply this display as a flex. Okay, now let's give the border to container div. After that, then we can see the this changes properly. Mm, yeah, so here if you can see, this is the container, and under the container we added this four boxes, and we apply the flex property for this container. That means this outer border is your flex, and under the flex we added the components. Okay, or small divs, container item we can say. Okay, so let's play with these items, how we can align this item. So there are different properties. We can align these items in a horizontal way. Let's do it here. So to align the properties, or to align these boxes in a vertical, sorry, in a horizontal manner, we have one property, CSS property, that is a justify content. Okay, so if you can see here, under the justify content we have different values, like center will be there, then flex end, flex start, then we have left, right, shape, space around, between, space evenly, start. These are the all properties we have. Okay, so now we can we'll see by applying one by one properties. Like say I want to display my four boxes in a center, in a horizontal manner. Okay, let's check the, yeah, console. Now I align these four boxes in our flex in a centerly. Okay, so now I want to, let's comment this one and again try to justify content. I want to align these four boxes with some spaces, like you can give the space around here. So you can see these four boxes aligned with some spaces, so you can give the space between. So between these boxes you will find some spaces, like first box is there, after that some spaces, there is second box, some spaces, third box, some spaces. So with the spaces, some our boxes will get aligned. Now there is a yeah, now here whatever spaces will be there inside your flex, this is divided in evenly with your inner element. So what are the inner element we have? We have four box as the inner element, and our spaces are like divided evenly for this all inner elements. Like after this, before this first box will get some spaces here, then after one box, after second box, third box, and fourth box. So all spaces divided evenly here, and our content will get displayed. Okay, now we have seen this space evenly. Then there is the justify content. So if you want to display your content at the starting of your flex, okay, then you can use the flex start. Then if you can see here, are all boxes aligned at the starting of your flex. Then after that, flex end will be there, you can use end will be there, so you can use this one. So all boxes shifted at the end of the flex. Okay, now there is the other properties as well. So justify content, and you can check this one, flex start, flex end, center. Yeah, we covered all of that. Okay, now we worked in a horizontal manner. Okay, now I want to align this all properties or this all contents in a vertical manner. Now we worked horizontally, now we want to work vertically. So how it works vertically? Okay, so let's do it. Yeah, so now to align your item vertical manner, so you can use, there is a property align item. So this align item will align your item in a vertical manner. So now let me increase the size of container, like height something, I'll give you 50 pixel here. Oh sorry, I'll give vh. Now you will get. Now let me comment this. Now see, here vertically all items are aligned at top. I want to align these items vertically in the bottom. How we can do? So we can use this align item. Yeah, now you can see all item will get aligned, like all item get aligned at vertical manner. Okay, so I want to display it, I want to display it uh, horizontally at center. So you can uncomment this one. So now you can see horizontally we are in middle of the flex. Okay, that is the funda. Then again there are other properties as well, so I'll be going to, like there is a flex end, flex start, same properties, like it is like starting displaying this content from the flex end in a vertical manner. Like flex start will be there. Yeah, now you can see at the starting of the flex in a vertical manner all item get aligned. Now let's talk about other. There is one flex direction will be there. Suppose if you want to start your flex some uh, in a column manner, in a row manner, in a reverse manner, so in that case you can use this, or you can utilize this property like flex direction. So there are four properties main, like one is the column reverse. So I'll show you the difference. Yeah, see now our all contains aligned in column. Okay, now let's give the column reverse. So going here, let's see, there is a first box, second box, third box, all boxes aligned in a sequentially. Okay, and if you can see, if I change something like this column reverse, now you will get the like fourth box. That means last box at first in a reverse manner. First we got 4 3 2 1 in a reversely. Then there is a like, now we see in a column wise we align. We can do row wise as well. This is a row. Then if you can, if you want to reverse your rows, then you can reverse like 4 3 2 and 1 something. Okay, now let's comment this as well. There is the overflow will be there, like flex wrap will be there. Okay, if you use flex wrap as a wrap, then in that case how it works, like it will, when you decrease the size of your screen, your item will get aligned in a proper manner. Like if I like decrease the size, see the change. And before, if I just comment this property and let's check this whether it is working or not. Not working. Okay, not, it is not aligning, it is not wrapping your uh, flex content. If you want to wrap your flex content, in that case you can use this property, your flex content will get wrapped. See how it works. Okay, there is a reverse as well, so you can use wrap reverse as well. So this is the, this will wrap your item in a reverse manner. So that's it. Now There is other one, flex direction wrap. So this grow string will be there. So to increase the size of a particular flex, in that case you can use grow. Okay, that's it. Now will be there. Okay, so now I'll be going to show you one navbar. So I'll create one navbar for you guys. So you can apply or you can use this navbar for your site. So whichever you are going to create, like a menus bar, like at the top you can see here file will be there, edit will be there, selection, view. So this kind of navbar we are going to create. Okay, so let's give the same content like file, edit, selection, then view. So let's add one more item, that is go and run. Okay, now yeah, so let me remove these properties from here. Let me remove this height as well, not required. Then this border is not required. So now see the how it looks. Okay, I need to remove this as well. Okay, fine, this is not required, border is not required. Now let's give the background color first. For your container I'll give the background color as a black. Then you can see the background color is applied. Okay, then if you want to see your items, then you can just give the color as a white. I'll give white smoke. Yeah, then if you want to apply some CSS like font style and all things, so I'll be giving font size like I'll be going to give 0.85 of RAM. Okay, so just apply. I apply for 0.85. Then let's give the font family. Now yeah, let's give this space. Yeah, correct. So that looks fine. Let's give some padding as well. So 10 pixel around, or I'll give some 5 pixel. Okay, yeah, great. Now let's give the pointer cursor as a pointer. Yeah. So I created one clickable navbar here. So if you can see here, like I created file and all these are the menus for our application. You guys, you can create any other as well. So this is very simple. We can easily create these things. So first we have to understand the how we need to understand like how this flex works and how we can apply in your application. So these are the things, these are the basic things you can use. And after that, if you want to add some over as well, like suppose I'll give the change some color like a font color like green or something, aqua. I'll give the aqua. Whenever I mouse over on those menus, then you can see your color getting changed. Like if I over file, then file color get changed. So like this. Okay, so this is the way you can design your nav bar. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you. Thank you guys.